Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the car to accessory or on so the infotainment is responsive. This ensures the module accepts new connections. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable because the car scans only visible devices. Now navigate the Mercedes menu to telephone or connectivity and select search or pair new device. This initiates device discovery. You do this first, so both units are actively listening, and the system can once the car lists available devices, tap your phone's name. This tells the car which hardware to trust. Make sure you compare the 6-digit PIN shown on screen with the one on your phone. Matching numbers prevent accidental pairing with nearby devices. After you confirm, the phone will request permission to share contacts and media. Grant these so calls and playlists appear on the screen. You should see a connecting spinner. Wait until the infotainment confirms a successful bond before moving on. To finish, make your phone the primary or preferred device in the Bluetooth settings so it auto-connects when you enter the vehicle. This saves repeated manual steps. If pairing fails, restart Bluetooth on your phone or reboot the car's infotainment and try the pairing sequence again. This clears transient handshake errors. If the system reports no slots, delete older paired devices from the Mercedes menu. Freeing entries resolves most stubborn pairing limits and lets the new connection complete successfully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.